there, Stella. And in this vlog, I'm going to talk about what are some of the roles that music play in our daily life and how does music play such roles. First of all, music is a tonal language and is that a technically in very literal way that it doesn't exist, just hitting in our eardrum in a slightly different way, and it allows us to express our emotion. Nowadays, the technology has impacted on the production and consumption of music, and some music play in a very important economic roles. There is a statistics data estimates that a company which is called Board Industry of Music contributes over $160 billion to the global GDP, around the size of entire New Zealand economic. Music as a technology of the self means a tool for control and regulation of itself for the demand of the modern world. There is one study mentioned by D. Nora, which is called Svoboda. In an earlier study in 1992, Svoboda is about interviewed people's emotional responses to the music. After further investigations, Svoboda forthcoming shows the investigations process. In a preliminary analysis of the description, reported that using music in relation to 6 categories: memory, spiritual matters, sensorial matters, mood change, mood enhancements, and activity. This results clearly shows music as a resource for ongoing constitution of people and their social, psychological, physiological, and emotional states. Next, I want to talk about what is social power. Social powers in music means music has a social agency. It acts on us by impacting the shape and texture to being, feeling, and doing. Music can foster bond between people and communicate the value and identity. There is a data shows it is possible to see music being used and working as a device for clarifying social order, for structuring subjectivity, and for establishing a basis for collaborative action. In particular, we can see music as it is used as a resource or template against which style and temporal pattern of feeling, moving and being come to be organized and produced in real time. Next thing, I want to talk about ubiquitous music. Ubiquitous music system can be defined as a musical computing environment that supports multiple users, divide sound, a resource, and activity in an integrated way. It offers a multidisciplinary approach to the pervasive presence of music in everyday life. The last thing I want to talk about differences between attention listening and hearing. Attention is a concentration of awareness on some phenomenon to the exclusion of other stimuli. And listening is receiving information through our ears. Those two are not the same as hearing. Listening considered to involve both hearing and interpretation of sounds. In daily life, to listen is to give attention to sound or action. That's all for today's vlog, and see you next time. Bye.